Assalamualaikum everyone. Hari ini saya nak do a mini tour of our DIY mudroom cabinets dan share some of the nifty features. Seperti biasa, kami pakai Ikea Metod kitchen cabinets dan kali ini saya pakai pintu bobbed in off-white since kami nak go for a more of a classic look. Basically, kami pakai wall cabinets dan stack them sampai almost to the ceiling. Untuk tutorial cara nak pasang the Metod cabinets dan pasang pintu, boleh check my previous post or if korang tengah tengok this video on YouTube, saya akan share the links in the description. For this project, kami pakai mostly 37cm depth cabinets dan only satu 60cm depth base cabinet, which is the cabinet yang dekat atas tu. Why kami pakai base cabinets untuk that one is for these three reasons. Number one, sebab kami nak cover manhole dekat ceiling tu, jadi kena pakai 60cm deep punya cabinet baru completely covered. Number two, sebab wall cabinets Ikea tak ada yang lebar 80cm dan dalam 60cm. This one pun saya terpaksa potong sikit sebab it comes in 80cm height dan kami ada clearance for 60cm sahaja. Number three, base cabinet dia come with a metal bar up top instead of the white chipboard panel. Jadi, since kami memang need the cabinet to be open up top untuk allow access into the manhole, this was the best option since saya dah tak perlu nak potong apa-apa dah and the metal bar provides the structural stability for the cabinet. So, for this mudroom, kami memang nak sorok the manhole and another thing yang kami nak sorok is this DB box. For this cabinet, kami tak pasang the backing and the top of the cabinet untuk bagi clearance for the DB box. Kalau korang perasan, kami tak install any door knobs dekat the doors and drawers. For the doors, saya pasang this push to open mechanisms. Yang ni beli dari Shopee je sebab it's much cheaper than Ikea punya and quality pun okay. And of course, kalau buat mudroom, mesti kena ada hooks for bags. Cuma, saya buat inside the cabinet instead. Saya pasang shiplap and these cute brass button knobs as the hook. So next, saya install these drawers and these ones are the exceptional drawers dan bukan maxi merah. These ones memang ada built-in push to open. Jadi, kami boleh avoid having to put knobs on the drawers too. The first drawer is the junk drawer untuk segala keperluan untuk keluar rumah. Saya beli some plastic bins dekat Shopee, but saya tak boleh nak recommend the sellers sebab semua bins ni sampai dented. And the second drawer untuk face mask dan other small items. For this one, memang beli drawer organizer inserts dari Ikea. The fit and look is amazing. And here we have a bench. Memang very useful this bench untuk pakai and tanggalkan kasut. This bench top kami pakai leftover kayu getah dan pakai self-leveling clear lacquer. Senang pakai self-leveling lacquer ni sebab tak perlu nak sand in between coats and still dapat a smooth finish. Bawah this bench is a drawer to store some of our shoes. I jumpa this upright shoe organizer and I love it. So organised dan quality plastik dia pun very good. Korang percaya tak kalau saya cakap yang tu je my only pairs of shoes. Plus satu lagi yang saya pakai daily ada dekat luar. Aizat punya collection 3 kali ganda dan mine. Okay, so for the side cabinet, saya guna untuk letak shopping bags, diaper bag dan for this one, sebab dia tinggi, saya install this sliding hanger dan letak some hooks so that boleh gantung stuff dan dia boleh slide out for easy access. So that's all for my mini tour today. For the links, saya akan share dekat my links highlights dekat IG, my Telegram channel and in the description below dekat YouTube. Thanks for watching everyone. Semoga sharing session hari ini bermanfaat. Till next time.